Okay, today I want to go over the Now You Try from Friday. You guys had a little trouble with that because I tricked you on the one. The first one was pretty easy, but let's do it together just so we know what we're doing. So it says Sarah's going to the movies at 3:45. The movie lasted 2 hours and 10 minutes. What time did the movie end? So I know that this is my start time, and I know that the movie lasted 2 hours and 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead, draw my number line, and I'm going to first start by putting my start time, 3 hours, or 3:45. That's my start time. First thing I do. Now I'm going 2 hours, which means I need to hump 2 times. 1, 2. And then I'm going to label those humps. 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay? And then I'm going to put my times down. In 1 hour means my clock is going all the way around. I'm just bumping that hour up to 4:45. And then another hour all the way around the clock is 5:45. I went my 2 hours. 2 hours. Now I'm going to go 10 minutes. And when I talk about minutes, I'm going to hop by 5 minutes. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to hop over 5. And then I'm going to hop over 10. 5 minutes plus another 5 minutes is going to give me 10 minutes. So in 5 minutes, now I'm talking about these minutes, so I need to figure out what's 5 more. So I could just count on 5, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Or I can just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Or you can just start at 45 if you can count by 5s like that. And then I need to go another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes after that is 5:55. So I've gone 1, 2 hours. 5 plus 5 is, this gives me 10 minutes. Okay? And my end time is 5:55. Let's take a look at the second one, which was a little more tricky. Okay, so it says Jim is going to a soccer game. It starts at 12:30 and ends at 2:15. How long is the game? So I know that this is my start time, and I know that this is my end time. I need to figure out how long is the game. So again, I'm going to start my number line, and I'm going to put my start time at 12:30. And then I'm going to make hops until I stop at 2:15. And first kind of hop I'm going to make is an hour. There's my hour hump. And in 1 hour, it's going to be 1:30. The clock went around 1 time. Now if I hop 2 hours, I get to 2:30. But my end time is 2:15, so that doesn't work. So I can't hop that second hour. Because I can't hop that second hour, because 2:30 is after 2:15, I'm going to start hopping by minutes. And when I hop by minutes, I'm hopping by 5 minutes. So I'm going to go 1:30, I'm going to hop 5 minutes. So 1:30, if you want to use a clock to help you, I have 1:30 here. I'm going 5 more minutes. I'm moving my minute hand 5 minutes. I get to 1:35. And then I'm going to hop another 5 minutes because I'm not to 2:15 yet, and I get to 1:40 on my clock. Then I'm going to hop, I'm not at 2:15, so I got to keep going. I'm going to hop another 5 minutes. I get to 1:45. I'm going to hop another 5 minutes. And now it's going to be 1:50. Another 5 minutes. I get to 1:55 on my clock. I'm still not at 2:15, so I still have to keep going. Another 5 minutes. Now I am at 2 o'clock. So I'm not going to write 1:60 because we don't use 60 in minutes. I'm going to say that it is now 2 o'clock. So when you get to the 60 up here, you know that that's the start of a new hour. Now I'm in the 2 o'clock hour. But I'm not to 2:15, so I have to keep going another 5 minutes. And I get to 2:05. Got to keep going, make my line longer. Another 5 minutes. And I'm going to get to 2:10. Still going because I'm not to 2:15 yet. And another 5 minutes is 2:15. Okay, so now I'm at 2:15. My end time is 2:15. So now I'm going to count up how much time passed. I know that 1 hour, and then I'm going to count my minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 45 minutes. That's how long the game was. I hope that helped you to understand a little bit better. I have another Now You Try to see how you can do today. Great job.